colourful and super yummy rainbow bagels!
Rainbow bagels, yummy!
So stay tuned and
Let's get started!
But first, let's have a look at the ingredients. You will need 2 cups of warm water, 1 packet of active dry yeast or instant yeast, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 6 cups of all-purpose flour, and you may need up to a cup extra, 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 tablespoon of canola oil plus more for greasing the bowl, some red, yellow, green, and blue food coloring, cream cheese, and parchment paper. These rainbow bagels are not only fun, but they are super delicious and great for a breakfast treat. So let's get started. Step 1. Mix the warm water and sugar in a large bowl. Add the yeast to the sugar water and let it stand until it bubbles and foams for about 10 minutes. Step 2. Now add the all-purpose flour, canola oil, and salt to the water. Mix with a wooden spoon until it's too thick to mix. Step 3. Remove the dough from the bowl and knead by hand for about 5 minutes until you have a smooth dough which is not sticky at all. If the dough is still sticky, sprinkle with some flour and knead until it is no longer sticky. Now place the dough in a large bowl greased with oil and cover with plastic wrap to rise in a warm place for about 60 minutes or until doubled in size. Step 4. After the dough has risen, punch it down and knead a few times. Then divide it into 6 equal portions. Now dye each portion with food coloring. You can use yellow and red to make orange, and blue and red to make purple. Bagels are delicious for breakfast, and these rainbow ones make them even more special. Step 5. Roll out each colored ball into a small rectangle and stack them in a rainbow order. Step 6. Twist the stack together to make a rainbow log. Now divide the rainbow log into 8 or 9 colorful balls. Make holes in the center of each ball and stretch it to make the bagel hole a little bigger. Cover and set the bagels aside. Let them rise for an additional 10 minutes. Step 7. While the bagels are rising, preheat your oven to 230 degrees Celsius and bring a large pot of water to a boil. Once the bagels have risen, drop 3 to 4 bagels at a time into the boiling water and boil this for 30 seconds on each side. Allow the bagels to dry on a cooling rack. Step 8. Now bake the bagels for 15 minutes on a cooking tray lined with some parchment paper. Wow! Now these bagels look amazing! They are so colorful and they smell super delicious.
All done! And these bagels look so yummy, right?
Yes! I can't wait to taste them. I can't wait to taste them.
Well, you know what that means. We have to go now. But thank you for watching. See you all next time.
Goodbye!